Should I renovate or build a new home? You are ready to create your dream home. But here is the million-dollar question. Should you renovate what you already have or tear it down and build new? Hold on, don't make a move until you watch this video. Let's figure it out together. Hi, I'm Francisca Alonso, CEO of AV Architects Plus Builders. And let me tell you, this is one of the most common questions we get from people looking to refresh their home. Should I renovate my current home or should I just build a brand new one? At AV Architects Plus Builders actually started with doing renovations over 20 years ago. And now we focus mainly on new custom homes. But that background gives us a unique perspective. And today I'm going to break it all down so you can decide which option is best for your lifestyle, timeline, and budget. Let's dive into it. Number one, timeline. The average timeline for a standard cosmetic renovation is about 4 to 6 months. That includes time for design, material selections, and construction. Now, a structural renovation, on the other hand, can take anywhere from 12 to 24 months. One factor that can impact the renovation timeline is the fact that you never really know what's behind the walls until you open them up. So timelines can shift if there are surprises. What about the new build timeline? For a new custom home, you're looking at 18 to 24 months. Yes, it's a process, but it's also much more predictable and intentional than a renovation. You're designing from the ground up, literally, so you get to control everything without the limitations of an existing structure. Number two, budget. Now, let's talk numbers. The first one to consider is the renovation budget. Renovations costs vary a lot. There are two main types of renovations. Cosmetic renovations, these can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $500,000 or more, depending on the scale. Let's make this even clearer with examples. Cosmetic renovations include replacing cabinets or countertops, painting, new flooring, changing light fixtures, or swapping windows if they are the same size. And then there are structural renovations. They usually start at around $200,000 and can easily reach into the millions. Structural renovations go deeper, moving plumbing or electrical, raising ceiling heights, enlarging windows or doors, changing the location of stairs or rooms, or upgrading insulation, mechanical systems. If your renovation includes any of these structural elements, you're already entering new built territory, both in cost and complexity. That's why it's so important to ask, will this renovation really get me where I want to go? Or am I just patching things up? And now it's time to analyze the new build budget. A new custom home also varies by builder type. Production homes can start around $250 a square foot. Semi-custom homes around $350 a square foot. And custom, like ours, starts at $450 a square foot. This doesn't include land or site prep, but it does give you a more holistic, long-term investment in a home that's designed exactly for your needs. And here's the part most people overlook: design expectations. Renovations are limited by what's already there. You can move things around, sure, but you can't get a brand new house out of an old frame. We've seen this happen. Clients start with one small renovation project, then another the next year, and then over the next 10 years, they've invested a fortune, and their home still doesn't feel like their dream home. And one more time to briefly summarize. If you want more than 75% of your home to change, or if your current home just doesn't support your future lifestyle, building a new custom home is the way to go. But if your updates are mostly cosmetic, and if your current structure supports your vision, then a renovation might make sense for you. Whatever you choose, make sure you're working with an experienced architect and builder, someone who understands the difference and can guide you toward the best fit for your life and your goals. Still unsure which option is best for you? Let's talk about it. Schedule a free discovery call with us today. The link is in the description below. If this video helped clarify your thoughts, like and subscribe for more insights on custom home design and building in Northern Virginia. And if you've renovated or built new, share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching.